What if the coolant inside your vehicle is secretly shortening your engine's life? Today, we're revealing the top 7 high-performance engine coolants for European and American vehicles that can help improve cooling efficiency and protect expensive engine components. Welcome back to the channel. Stay with us to discover reliable options, and check the links in the description to find the products that fit your vehicle and budget. Imagine reclaiming an entire trunk's worth of space without changing vehicles. That's the kind of difference the Mach-E 60x20x6 folding luggage rack brings to long trips, family vacations, and overloaded weekend adventures. Many drivers struggle with packed cargo areas, cramped passengers, and gear stacked dangerously inside the cabin. This setup tackles that headache with a sturdy steel platform rated for up to 500 pounds and a spacious 20 cubic foot waterproof cargo bag that helps keep belongings protected from changing weather. The folding design adds another layer of convenience. When not in use, it folds up neatly, reducing wasted space behind the vehicle. The included stabilizer, cargo net, straps, and license plate holder create a more complete package than many Receiver Hitch Cargo Carrier options. Compared with basic basket-style carriers that leave luggage exposed, this combination offers better protection and organization. The trade-off is added weight and the need for proper loading balance. Ideal for road trippers, campers, and large families, it transforms stressful packing into a far more manageable travel experience. What if adding one simple accessory could free up more space than reorganizing your entire vehicle? That's exactly the feeling the CURT 18153 cargo basket delivers from the moment it's installed. Many drivers struggle with packed trunks, cramped cabins, and gear that never seems to fit. Road trips, camping weekends, and family vacations quickly become stressful when storage runs out. The CURT 18153 tackles that problem with a generous steel basket measuring 60 inches by 23.5 inches and a sturdy 500-pound capacity. The raised side rails help keep cargo contained, while the durable construction feels ready for years of hauling. What stands out is practicality. Coolers, luggage, tools, and outdoor equipment ride outside the vehicle, giving passengers valuable breathing room. Compared with compact hitch-mounted carriers, this model offers noticeably more loading space. The trade-off? Its larger size requires extra parking awareness and adds some rear-end length. This best Receiver Hitch Cargo Carrier alternative is ideal for travelers, campers, contractors, and growing families seeking dependable cargo expansion. When every inch matters, this carrier turns crowded journeys into far more comfortable adventures. A weekend trip can fall apart faster than most people expect, sometimes not because of the destination, but because there's simply nowhere left to pack. That's where the Mach-E 72x36x6XXL folding trailer hitch cargo carrier changes the game. For families, campers, and road trip enthusiasts, limited cargo space is a constant frustration. Overstuffed cabins feel cramped. Roof loading can be tiring. This hitch-mounted cargo carrier creates a practical solution with a massive platform and a 50 cubic foot waterproof cargo bag designed to protect gear from changing weather. What stands out is the thoughtful setup. Integrated lights, a license plate holder, and a folding design make everyday use more convenient than many standard cargo racks. The 500-pound capacity also gives SUV and truck owners more flexibility when carrying bulky luggage, camping equipment, or travel essentials. Compared with smaller hitch cargo carriers, the Mach-E offers noticeably more room. The trade-off is its larger size, which may feel excessive for solo travelers. If your adventures regularly outgrow your vehicle's storage space, this contender for the best Receiver Hitch Cargo Carrier category delivers extra capacity, practical features, and welcome peace of mind mile after mile. Imagine gaining nearly 30 cubic feet of extra storage without sacrificing a single seat inside your vehicle. That's exactly the kind of freedom the Mach-E 60x24x14 high-rail trailer hitch cargo carrier delivers. Many travelers struggle with cramped cargo space, especially during family vacations, camping trips, or long-distance moves. Bags pile up. Visibility drops. Comfort disappears. This carrier tackles that problem head-on. The heavy-duty steel frame supports up to 500 pounds, while the high rails help keep gear secure over rough roads. Even better, The waterproof cargo bag shields luggage from rain, dust, and road grime. The folding design is another welcome touch, reducing rear-end bulk when not in use. Compared with a basic open-style receiver hitch cargo carrier, this package offers greater weather protection and better organization right out of the box. There are a few trade-offs. The added size may affect parking convenience, and installation takes some initial effort. For road trippers, campers, large families, and SUV owners seeking the best receiver hitch cargo carrier experience, this setup brings practical space, cleaner travel, and fewer packing compromises. Most travelers underestimate how quickly a packed vehicle turns a relaxing trip into a frustrating puzzle. That's where the Carrier 500 pounds heavy-duty hitch-mount cargo carrier changes the game. Before buying a receiver hitch cargo carrier, many drivers worry about limited cargo space, unstable loads, and weather exposure. Carrier tackles those concerns with a sturdy steel frame, a generous 60x24 platform, and a folding design that keeps things practical when not in use. What stands out is the complete package. The waterproof cargo bag, net, ratchet straps, stabilizer, and lock help eliminate the extra purchases often required with similar carriers. For camping gear, luggage, coolers, and road trip essentials, it creates valuable breathing room inside the vehicle. Compared with lightweight aluminum alternatives, this carrier offers greater load capacity and durability, though it adds more weight and may slightly affect rear access on some vehicles. If you own an SUV, truck, or family vehicle and regularly travel with extra gear, this best receiver hitch cargo carrier contender delivers convenience, organization, and welcome peace of mind mile after mile. A single weekend trip can swallow more cargo space than most drivers expect, and that's exactly where the Wildroad 500 pounds hitch cargo carrier changes the game. Many SUV and truck owners struggle with cramped interiors, especially when traveling with family, camping gear, or bulky luggage. This hitch-mounted cargo basket creates a practical solution without sacrificing passenger comfort. The 60 inches by 24 inches platform feels solid from the moment it's installed. Its heavy-duty steel construction handles demanding loads, while the included waterproof cargo bag, net, straps, and dual tightener transform packing into a far less stressful experience. What stands out is how it balances capacity and convenience. Compared with smaller hitch baskets that require careful stacking, this setup gives gear room to breathe. The trade-off? Its larger size may feel excessive for drivers who only carry light loads occasionally. For road trippers, campers, overlanders, and families needing extra storage, it's a compelling contender in the best receiver hitch cargo carrier category. More than extra space, it delivers something travelers value deeply: a calmer, less crowded journey from the very first mile. Imagine gaining nearly an extra trunk's worth of space without changing vehicles. That's the kind of freedom the Max Haul 50243 foldable hitch and roll cargo carrier cart brings to every trip. Many travelers struggle with overloaded SUVs, cramped camping gear, or messy hauling solutions. This carrier tackles that frustration head-on. Its quick detachable basket rack makes loading and unloading surprisingly simple, while the foldable design helps save valuable storage space when the job is done. The 10-inch flat-free tires are a welcome advantage. No worrying about punctures before a road trip or during a busy day at the ranch. With a 400-pound capacity, it handles coolers, camping equipment, tools, and bulky cargo with ease. Compared with a standard fixed receiver hitch cargo carrier, this model adds cart functionality, making it more versatile around campsites and work areas. That flexibility creates real convenience. The trade-off? It's heavier than basic cargo trays and requires a little extra setup. For campers, road trippers, ranch owners, and SUV drivers seeking a practical best receiver hitch cargo carrier alternative, this model delivers space, versatility, and welcome peace of mind wherever the road leads.